Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a hover-to-play video carousel in Wix. This feature is perfect for showcasing multiple video content on your website in an interactive way that engages visitors as they browse. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This is where you can access all the sites connected to your account. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website where you wish to create your hover video gallery. It's important to verify you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you've confirmed the right website, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button opens up a world of design components you can use to build your page. From the Add Elements menu, start by locating the strip element and add it onto your website canvas. Strips are great for organizing content horizontally across your page. Next, you'll want to divide the strip to create that video gallery layout. Click on the Layout button and add columns to your strip. The number of columns you add will determine how many videos appear side by side in your carousel. Now, under each column, you'll add a hover box. Hover boxes are essential because they enable the hover effects that make your videos interactive. Click on the Add Elements button again, and under the Interactive section, drag a sample hover box inside each column. Any hover box will work for now since we'll be customizing it shortly. Once the hover box is added, simply clear all the contents inside it so you have a clean slate to work with. Next, click on the hover option on your hover box and clear the hover contents again. This ensures you're starting fresh with no default elements getting in the way. Once the hover box is completely clear, click on Add to Hover. From here, the Add Elements menu will open up again. This time, navigate to Videos and Music and select the videos you wish to add. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a sample video box. Drag a video box inside the hover box you just cleared. Once the video was added, simply click on Exit Hover Mode to return to the normal editing view. Now here's the important part. You'll need to repeat these exact steps for all the other columns to complete your video gallery. Each column should have its own hover box with a video inside, creating that seamless hover-to-play effect across your entire carousel. And there you have it. You've successfully created a hover-to-play video carousel in Wix that will engage your visitors and showcase your video content beautifully. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.